What's shaking, y'all? It's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. I just wanted to give y'all a quick simulation of what it sounds like when your motor, I'm sorry, not your motor, when your strut mounts are going out. When your strut mounts are going out, see if y'all can hear this. Y'all hear that spring? Might be doing it too quick, so let me just fix this while I'm... Alright, Tube, you know I stay on it, and now to stay on it some more, it's about time for some new TN coilovers, man. 3 years in, don't get me wrong, these shits are still good, but what? You know, get me wrong, coils themselves are still bad, but some of the hardware, this shit is shredded. This is one of those, that shit, yeah. This shit for my strap mount, that shit done. I mean, coil itself, this still look good. I'm gonna wipe that down. Boot, done. Party adjourned. So yeah, just gotta see if there's any components I can pick up instead of worrying about a whole new coilover set. But y'all know me, keep shit missing, team. So let me get this shit back together and I'll do that research a little bit later. But I'm gonna definitely need some new components. Fresh strut mount. Oh shit, beat up components. Fresh new shit on deck. Just for me, to help me out, I definitely use my jack to jack up right under here, right under the control arm, so I could use the jack to jack it up and push it into place so it'll line up. Just so it can line up. Y'all already know. So tie your shit down over here, knock out that side, and that's today's work. If you hear that, then that'll let you know that it's time for your strut mounts to be changed and that you've been doing some real rough riding just to preserve the life of your other suspension parts. So I just wanted to give that to y'all. That's my 2 cents on that. You already know it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. You already know what it is, Nismo team. Let's go.